Everybody, Pedro here for PG's Continuing Journey channel. Happy Memorial Day weekend, everybody. My, I, I apologize. Much love, and I feel sorry for everybody who here in New York City who had plans to do a Memorial Day barbecue or some kind of event. Because that may have changed due to the heavy rain, to the on and off again rain that we have been having since yesterday. This whole weekend has been full of rain so far. But I got lots of housework done. I got some cleaning done, laundry done, little laundry, and of course, when a day like this does not permit me to go for an outdoor walk because of rain and other life happening, it's Leslie to the rescue. And this time around, I am doing the 4-mile super challenge. This is mile 4. Looks like the rain had cleared. I'm just going to keep my move. I got room, but I'm keeping my moves small so I can keep up with the team. I feel my thighs and in my glutes. Making it small so I can keep up with everybody. Hamstring curl. Double step hamstring curl. This sounds like the intro to Survivor's Eye of the Tiger. sweat. Grapevine. It's grapevine. Woo! You know I love my grapevine. Now it's gonna get dancey. And why not? See you later. Gotta go.